There are three powerful agents in Gatsbi. Gatsbi Innovator is built for the early stages of research, when you're still exploring innovative ideas. Gatsbi Writer helps you turn your prior research into a complete paper, while Gatsbi Reviewer is designed for systematic literature reviews and meta-analyses. With Gatsbi Innovator, all you need to do is enter or choose a topic, and Gatsbi will start analyzing. It suggests a range of research ideas, each scored and linked to real references you can open with a click. Once you pick an idea, you can expand it further. After that, simply set your desired length, and Gatsbi will generate a full paper manuscript with a solid structure, equations, system diagrams, figures, tables, citations, and references. Every reference includes a direct link to the source. Beyond academic papers, Gatsbi Innovator can also draft patent disclosure documents in multiple languages, covering background survey, detailed invention descriptions, figures, embodiments, claims, and keywords. Just like Gatsbi Innovator, Gatsbi Writer can also generate patent disclosure documents based on your prior methodological research. Boost your research and innovation workflow. Try Gatsbi today.